Ever heard of raining fish? In Honduras, a bizarre weather phenomenon called lluvia de peces occurs annually. During heavy storms, fish are said to fall from the sky. Scientists believe water spouts or strong winds lift fish from nearby waters, dropping them miles away. This strange event leaves locals collecting fish from the streets. Imagine the surprise of a fishy downpour. It's a quirky reminder of nature's unpredictability. Next time you hear thunder, watch out for more than just rain. If you enjoyed this tale, hit like, comment, and subscribe for more curious stories.